Okay, testing an operation again. We're going to call this time around the 216 space in the rear. That would enable the front spaces will have to move out of the way in order to get the vehicle inside and open the gate. So we're going to start by calling the space 216. This is an automatic. Signal is received. Traverse spaces are going to move out of the way. Gate is opening, and now we're allowed to drive the vehicle through this space into the rear. Once the operation is complete, vehicle is parked. You can resume to close the gate by simply pressing the green button.